Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we back to the Portlandville. We're gonna do the second round for chase the big wrasse. Once again I'm with Wayne from the Angling Addict 75. So hopefully you're gonna get something. It's a little bit windy today, but we got very nice shelter from all those rocks. So wish us a luck and see you soon. So just quickly, I'm gonna quickly explain you. I'm using the rotten bottom rig or weak link rig. What that means, I got one single hook rig with a twisted boom, some nice shiny stuff. What is it? And then below I got weight on the very light line, so if this weight gonna stuck in the rocks, it's gonna snap off and you can still got your fish. First one, very tiny, so that's a fish. bigger this time. Beautiful, look. Now I'm gonna explain you and show you why fishing is amazing. Look this view. It's worth to wake up early in the morning, see something like that. Another one. And another one, guys. Look at this.
Is that your float?
No. There's another one. Slightly bigger.
There's a bigger one.
Up. So maybe the bigger one's gonna come up. Look at that, guys. Lovely fish.
good, isn't it?
One more tip for the day. Always when you're going on the rocks, make sure you're gonna have nice shoes, proper shoes for doing it. Small one, but still grass. Another tip, when you're doing the rice fishing, use a little bit stronger drop tip, because what the rice is doing, when he's going to grab it, he's going to go down straight away under the rock, so you don't want to lose him. Rod, I'm going to put the float really shallow, so we're going to avoid the rocks, and I will try for rag. Hope you're going to get something. Hopefully you can see. So guys, as you can see, we just moved the spot. We're gonna do some lure fishing. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm already wet. I just not get one wave on the top of me. From there. Wish us luck. So as you can see, this is what I got caught by wave. You can see. Oh. with the places like this one, you can see you need to be very careful, because it could be wash you off the rock. And as you can see, there's one current is going this way and the other one is going this way, so you don't want to end up inside. See, look on that one now. You never go on the rocks on your own. Also, if you're doing the lure fishing with the places like that, better to wear the life jacket. Remember, safety first. So guys, we're gonna finish for today. We got a few species today. Wayne got the silver eel, pollock, wrasse. We got plenty of wrasse. Obviously no bass today. We got the new spot for the lure fishing, which we show you right now. But be careful on the spot, because the wave can wash you off.
Yeah.
If you like the...
Greg almost got washed off.
Yeah, I got one on the top of me, so I'm soaked wet now. It's better now, it's a little bit dry, but should be right. Now check the Wayne's channel, Angling Addict 75. I'm gonna put his link below. Make sure you're gonna like and subscribe the video and visit his channel as well. So guys, thank you very much and see you soon.
See you later, guys.